Hi and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll show you a simple Notion system that helps you track your income, track your expenses, budgets, subscriptions, and in general organize your finances. And if you want to get started with this Notion Finance Tracker right away, I will leave the link to the Notion system in the comments so you can grab it. And also if you want to know how you can build this complete Notion Finance Tracker system from scratch, I have made a video before that you can check it out on my channel, and I will also leave a link to this video in the comments. So let's dive in. The first section of Ultimate Finance Tracker is the accounts, and here you can list your accounts and your saving goals. And if you go inside an account, here you have a starting balance, current balance, which is a formula which computes the current balance based on income, expenses, transfers, and starting balance, and a description for your account. And also inside the account, you can see all your income, expenses, and transfers done to and from this account. And also you can see subscriptions which are related to this account, active and inactive subscriptions. Also, you can see here income and expenses by month. So income and expenses for this current month. And if the account is a saving goal and the account is considered as a saving goal account, if it has a target date and target amount, you will also see the progress here towards your saving goal. Then the finance tracker has a section with the budgets, and here you can see monthly budget, spent this month and remaining for the month, and also progress. And if you go inside, here you can see expenses related to this budget category, all expenses and expenses for this current month. The next section is the income section, and here you can see all your income, income by month, and income by category. And also you can categorize your income, and if you go inside the category, you'll also see income for all income for this category. And expenses, so let's say we have a new expense, let's say groceries, amount 200 or 150, and we link it to our groceries budget category, and let's say it was done from the main account, and let's say it was done today, this month. And now if we go back to our budget, here we can see the progress for the budget, and spend this month was changed, and remaining for the month was also changed. So you can easily track the progress and your budget for this current month. And to add any expense or any income, you just press the button here and you will add income or expense, let's say another salary, and it was today. And if you go to this month, you will see this income in this month. And then the finance tracker has a section where you can manage transfers. So here you can visualize your transfers between accounts. So for example, from this main account to savings account, or from main account to emergency fund. And you can also see transfer amount, description, and transfer date. And to add another transfer, just press new page and let's say to the car saving goal, transfer amount 500 from main account to car savings. And now if we go up here, we should see the main account balance change. It was 4,200, and car saving account was also changed. And the finance tracker has a section where you can manage your subscriptions, and you can see here active and inactive subscriptions, and you can categorize your subscriptions. And to mark the subscription as inactive, you simply uncheck this checkbox. Then you have a billing period, if it's yearly, quarterly, monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly, cost per month, cost per year, and next payment date based on start date. So this next payment date is computed automatically. There is a formula behind this property, and also you can connect a subscription to an account. And also you can make the subscriptions as sort of recurrent expenses if you go to expenses and here add a new template. So I have an example here of Netflix subscription. And lastly, the finance tracker has a section with the summary. So here you can see your expenses by months, by weeks, and by years. And like all expenses with a date, amount, budget category, account, and same with the income. So you can see all your income by months, by weeks, and by year. So yeah, this is the ultimate finance tracker Notion system that I made to easily track income, track expenses, budgets, and stop overspending with budget tracking, and also manage subscriptions and accounts. And I hope you like the system. And if you want to get started with the system right away, you can check it out at Grizzly Templates Marketplace. I will leave the link to the system in the comments. And also, if you want to build the system from scratch, I will leave a link to a video where I show how you can do it. It is a step-by-step tutorial where we build the system from scratch. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you like the Ultimate Finance Tracker Notion system.